everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. I'm going to do a little experiment today with this wooden, I'm not sure what you'd even call this. I got it at Dollarama for like $2 maybe. I have primed the front with gesso. I didn't bother with the back because I'm probably going to get it all messed up and I'll have to fix it when I'm done anyway. So I'm going to try, let's see. So I want to do some kind of a fiery look on this. I have red, orange, and yellow here, and black. So first I'm going to prop this up with cups. And I'm going to put some black down on it. Now my paints are mixed how I always mix them. I have a link to the video in my description if you want to check that out. So I'm going to use a hair dryer to kind of blow this out. Okay, so I got this covered in black. I'm going to grab another cup here. And what I'm going to do is layer these in the cup just like you would do for a dirty pour or a flip cup or anything like that. And I'm just going to give each one a little quick stir. Just like, oh, I made a mess, but it was way too full. So just what I'm doing is just like a cross, an X, just to kind of separate them a little bit. I have a little smaller canvas here that I'm going to lay here in front on an angle because it's not wide enough. I'm going to lower this onto this one. And I'm going to pour the paint down this, and that should catch the paint, and then maybe something nice will happen with that. See, I should have probably put a canvas here, but oh well. See what I can do with this. This turned out awesome. I hope it dries just the way it is. Very cool. I'll show you when to dry. All right, so here it is finished. I actually put resin on this. Beautiful. See the light shining? And then this is the canvas under it. I didn't put resin, this is just a spray varnish. So this would be a nice like wall decoration or something. Not sure where I'll put it.